It has now officially happened. A lot of time has passed, and now our favorite coin has won its court case against the SEC. Experts and the CEO of Ripple both agreed that this is a very bullish sign that couldn't be ignored. They already made a $10,000 guess about what will happen next. You'll be amazed by that movie. Do not miss a single second. Note that XRP Ripple, a cryptocurrency made by Ripple Labs, has been in the news a lot lately because of its unique features and legal fights. Unlike many other coins, XRP is made to make international payments quick and cheap. Several banks around the world use Ripple's technology, which shows how much it could change the way payments are made around the world. The crypto community is very interested in the current court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. The case that began more than 3 years ago is almost over. Crypto Barbie tweeted not long ago that Jim Cramer told Gary Gensler live on CNBC that he lost the case against Ripple. This tweet shows how more and more people think Ripple could win its case against the SEC. Presiding Judge Annalisa Torres is now reading Ripple's reply letter, which backs up its request to keep papers secret that have to do with the SEC's decision and possible solutions. Whatever happens in this case could have a big effect on how coins are regulated in the US. Ripple's large stocks of XRP are one of the main points of disagreement. The SEC says that Ripple's monthly sales of XRP are mostly deals in securities. This argument is based on the Howey test, which is a legal measure used to see if a deal is an investment contract. For all of these reasons, the Ripple community recently avoided a big setback when President Joe Biden vetoed the bill. This bill said that any cryptocurrency project where one investor owns more than 20% of the total amount should be thought of as a security. A label like that could have been very bad for Ripple and other projects like it. The bill's failure is seen as a win for the cryptocurrency business. If the bill had been passed, it would have made it very hard for many projects to get permits. Meta Lawman, a famous Web3 and crypto lawyer, said on the X platform that recent deals like the one between the SEC and Terraform Labs and kwon show that the crypto industry is on the right track. It looks like the SEC may be losing control of strict rules after these agreements. Meta lawyer also said that the case against either Ripple or Coinbase might end up in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. This would set a very important legal standard for how crypto assets should be treated. A decision like this could have big effects, and it might give the crypto market the clarity and security it needs. Ripple's journey, which was full of new ideas and legal problems, shows how complicated it is to regulate cryptocurrencies. Even though there have been lawsuits, Ripple's technology is still becoming more popular in the banking world. One of its biggest advantages is still that it can help with quick and cheap foreign transactions. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies can't wait for the decision in the Ripple v. SEC case to come out. If things go well for Ripple, it could lead to stricter and more understandable rules for the whole business. On the other hand, a loss could lead to tighter rules that could stop new ideas from coming up. Don't press the stop button yet, though. Top crypto experts and researchers say that people shouldn't worry about the price of XRP Ripple. In fact, they think that XRP Ripple will grow very quickly. I agree that Gary Gensler and the CC's recent loss is a very good sign for the market. It's crazy how this has turned everything around. Things are looking better than ever for XRP Ripple. Keep reading to find out why. Analyst Us.Thankx Crypto has pointed out that the price of XRP could go up by a huge amount. On the weekly XRP chart, he points out a symmetrical triangle pattern that goes back several years. Since January 2018, when XRP hit an all-time high of almost $4, there has been a period of consolidation with this pattern, which shows that the market isn't sure what to do. According to Us.Thankx Crypto, supply and demand are equal right now. However, a breakout of this triangle could cause a big change in price. Us.Thankx Crypto says that XRP is trading near the lower trend line of the triangle. It recently fell to about 40 cents, but then rose again. He thinks that a break above the upper trend line at about 75 cents could lead to a God candle, which is a big bullish candlestick pattern that could mean a big price jump. He says that if this rise happens, the price of XRP could go through the roof by 4,000%, taking it above $30. But now comes the crazy part. Some experts are even more optimistic. Robert Doyle, founder of Kryptonaires and also known as Crypto Sensei, recently predicted that XRP would reach an amazing $10,000. Doyle's prediction is based on the idea that BRICS countries Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa might use XRP as a payment currency instead of a single country's currency like the dollar. Doyle says that XRP's technology is perfect for transactions that take place across borders, which makes it a strong option for global financial systems. He is even more sure that XRP will be useful and widely used in the future because Ripple is forming more and more partnerships with big banks. Doyle also talks about the growing market for tokens, which is predicted to grow very quickly over the next 5 years. David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, is also optimistic about the role of XRP Ledger in tokenizing real-world assets. He says that the low fees and ability to work with decentralized markets are two of its main benefits. Even though these statements are interesting, it's important to look at them with a critical eye. XRP is currently trading at 52 cents. For it to hit $10,000, it would have to grow by an astronomical 2 million%, which would give it a market cap of about $100 trillion. Critics say that such a prediction is not possible and should be thrown out as wishful thinking because of how the market works now and how much money is in the cryptocurrency market overall. So XRP Ripple is at a very important point right now since the SEC case is about to end, and there are positive technical signs. There are some predictions that may seem too optimistic, but technology and market trends show that XRP has a lot of room to grow, even if it doesn't hit $10,000. The next few months will be very important in deciding its course. And just when you thought things couldn't get any more interesting, the CEO and president of XRP Ripple came out of the woodwork and said some shocking things. Even they couldn't see the crazy prediction that XRP would reach $10,000. But what they showed is yet another huge sign that prices are going up for everyone who owns XRP. You're not ready for this at all. This is going to blow your mind. As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow and hit new milestones every day, people are more excited than ever about new financial products. The Securities and Exchange Commission has approved spot Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds. Now, rumors about the release of a spot XRP ETF are growing, but why does this seem like it will happen, and what might happen to people who own XRP Ripple? First, let's clear up what an ETF is and why it's important. One type of investment fund that follows the success of an underlying asset is an exchange-traded fund ETF. And in this case, the underlying asset is a cryptocurrency like XRP. For investors, ETFs are a way to get a piece of the price changes of the base asset without having to buy or hold the asset itself. This makes it easier to spend and lower some of the risks that come with working with cryptocurrencies like self-custody. Has been very open about how a spot XRP ETF will happen in the US. According to him, buyers want to put their money into more than just Bitcoin and Ethereum. In a recent comment, Garninghouse stressed how important it is to give investors a choice, saying, ... you don't want to have just a single-threaded asset exposure. Monica Long, the president of Ripple, agreed with this and pointed out how clear the rules are about XRP's place in the market. Since only XRP and Bitcoin are so clear, an XRP ETF could give investors a much-needed way to get into a top-tier cryptocurrency with a big market cap and a lot of daily trade volume. Getting an XRP ETF up and running, on the other hand, isn't easy. The SEC, which is in charge of approving or rejecting these kinds of financial goods, is in a court case with Ripple right now. The result of this trial could have a big effect on the price of XRP and how people feel about it in the market. Even though there are legal hurdles, Ripple is still optimistic about the possibility of an XRP ETF. Both Garninghouse and Long are sure that it will happen. Ripple has been making progress in the stablecoin market, and an XRP ETF is also possible. Long said that Ripple is working on a project to create its own stablecoin, which should be ready by the end of 2024. This move shows that Ripple wants to grow its ecosystem and give new financial solutions besides XRP, its own cryptocurrency. In the future, the launch of an XRP ETF could not only give buyers a new way to invest in XRP, but it could also make it an even more important player in the cryptocurrency market. An XRP ETF could open up new possibilities for both Ripple and its holders. This is because institutional interest is growing and regulatory clarity is becoming